Friends, today I want to extend the application of the problems in which we will expand the numerator and contract the denominator. And here in this video, I want to discuss some board problems. Application of this concept I want to apply, and I want to discuss some board problems. Let I is equal to cos of angle x plus a divided by sin of angle x plus b dx. Now we want to expand the numerator. So cos of angle x plus b plus a minus b we will write in this form, so that after cancelling the term b we have x plus a. So my dear students, now x plus a can be rearranged in this form. Now we will apply this formula, cos of angle x plus b plus a minus b, and apply the expansion of cos of angle a plus b. We have cos of angle x plus b into cos of angle a minus b minus sin of angle x plus b into sin of angle a minus b divided by sin of angle x plus b. Now by taking common cos of angle a minus b, we have cos of angle x plus b sin of angle x plus b minus sin of angle a minus b integration of dx. So it will be cos of angle a minus b log sin x plus b minus x into sin of angle a minus b plus c. So now I want to discuss problem number 2. And this problem was asked in the foreign set 2015 and Delhi 2013. So sin of angle x minus a by sin of angle x plus a dx. So my dear student, now we rearrange this term. Sin of angle x minus a can be written as sin of angle x plus a, and within the bracket minus 2a. You should do this arrangement. This is nothing but the application of the concept. If in the integrand is in the form of the expression of the angle, we must expand the angle of numerator and contract the angle of denominator. This is the way by which we can solve this problem. So we'll do this arrangement here. Sin of angle x plus a minus 2a instead of sin of angle x minus a. So my dear student, it is nothing but the expansion of sin of angle a minus b. That is sin of angle x plus a into cos 2a minus cos of angle x plus a into sin 2a divided by sin of angle x plus a. This is nothing but cos of angle 2a dx minus sin of angle 2a, and it will be cos of angle x plus a divided by sin of angle x plus a into dx. So after simplification we have cos 2a integration of dx minus sin 2a integration of cos of angle x plus a sin of angle x plus a dx. So it is cos 2a into x minus sin 2a log of sin of angle x plus a mod c. So in this way we can solve this problem. Now I want to solve some problem in which the sin 2x in the integrand sin 2x is present. How will you solve this problem? Write the value of x plus cos 6x 3x square sin 6x. This problem was asked in the All India 2012 compartment. This problem is easy. So we consider 3x square plus sin x 6x is equal to t. And now it is on the form of 1 by 6 dt by d. It means that here in the denominator function is present and the numerator this is present. So its integration will be in the form of log mod t plus c. That is 1 by 6 log of 3x square sin 6x plus c. My dear students, if sin 2x is involved, is present in the denominator, and in the numerator it is sin x minus cos x. So we can write sin 2x in this way, sin 2x is equal to, if in the numerator it will be sin x minus cos x, so we will write in the form of sin x plus cos x whole square minus 1. We will rearrange it in this way. If the denominator, in the numerator it will be sin x minus cos x. And if the numerator it will be sin x plus cos x, then sin 2x can be written as 1 minus sin x, if it will be in the sin x minus cos x whole square, sin 2x. So my dear student, in this way we can write. So it is very, very important to know this beautiful result, this important result. So now what do you observe? In the numerator it is sin x minus cos x. So we will arrange sin 2x in the form of sin x plus cos x whole square minus 1. You can write it directly, but here to make it easy we will do this arrangement. We add 1 and subtract 1. So it is sin square x plus cos square x 2 sin x cos x minus 1. So it is nothing but sin x plus cos x whole square minus 1. So what do you observe? Sin 2x can be written as sin x plus cos x whole square minus 1 if in numerator it will be sin x minus cos x. So now let us, sin x plus cos x is equal to t. So its denominator will be cos x minus sin x dx is equal to dt. So it is nothing but dt root over t square minus 1. And take common, minus dt root over t square minus 1. Here it will be sin x minus cos x. So if you write sin x minus cos x dx, it will be minus dt. Take common. So it will be sin x minus cos x dx is equal to minus dt. So it will be minus dt root over t square minus 1. And it is on the formula dx by root over a square minus x square. So it is nothing but log t plus root t square minus 1 plus c. That is sin x plus cos x plus root sin 2x plus c. In this way we will solve this problem. Now my dear student, now I want to solve this problem. Find root 10x plus root cot x dx. इस ग्रुप के सवाल को इस रूप से बनाना बहुत आसान है. Now you write root sin x by root cos x plus root cos x by root sin x. And after simplification, what do you observe? It will be sin x plus cos x, root over sin x plus cos x. Now we want to change it in the form of sin 2x. For the purpose, we apply the numerator and denominator by root 2. So it will be root 2 sin x plus cos x, root over sin 2x plus 1 minus 1. We do this arrangement because in the numerator it is sin x plus cos x. So sin 2x can be written as 1 minus sin x minus cos x whole square. So it is, after simplifying, it is 1 minus sin x minus cos x whole square. So we do some arrangements, sin 2x plus 1 minus 1. So now we write it in this way, 1 minus sin 2x. It is 1 minus sin 2x. So it is nothing but 1 minus sin x minus cos x whole square. So you can write directly here. By multiplying root 2 from numerator and denominator, you can write sin 2x can be written as, if it is in the sin x plus cos x in the numerator, we write it 1 minus sin x minus cos x whole square. So you can save time by remembering, if in the numerator sin x plus cos x, then denominator can be rearranged. We can write sin 2x. कैसे? 1 minus sin x minus cos x whole square sin 2x. So you must remember, and in this way you can save your time. So now my dear student, It is on the form root 2 sin x plus cos x, square root of 1 minus sin x minus cos x whole square. Let sin x minus cos x is equal to t. Then cos x plus sin x dx is equal to dt. So now whole integrand is in the form I is equal to root 2 dt root over 1 minus t square. That is root 2 sin inverse t plus c. So in this way I is equal to root 2 sin inverse sin x minus cos x plus c. So this problem is very, very important for the purpose of examination, and its weightage will be of 4 marks. So my dear student, now a problem, similar problem can be x root 10x minus root cot x. इस तरह से भी हम इसको बना सकते हैं, चेंज कर सकते हैं. तो नीचे ऊपर में हो जाएगा sin x माइनस cos x, sin x माइनस cos x. सो प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, इस तरह एक सवाल से हम कितना सवाल बना सकते हैं, उस स्ट्रेटेजी को अपनाना पड़ेगा. ये घर में इस सवाल को बनाइए, रूट 10x माइनस रूट कॉट एक्स dx. प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, ये साइन 2x वाले सारे सवाल को आप इस तरह बना सकते हैं आफ्टर सिंप्लीफिकेशन, और इस दोनों को जोड़ करके रूट 2 रूट 10x जोड़िए, इसको 2 रूट 10x घटा दीजिए 2 रूट कॉट एक्स. इसलिए रूट 10x रूट कॉट एक्स के सवाल को भी इस ढंग से हम बना सकते हैं. ये बहुत अच्छी बात है, और फिर हम दूसरे ढंग से भी आगे के वीडियो में बनाएंगे. मेरे कहने का मतलब एक सवाल से हम कई एक सवाल बना सकते हैं, एक अप्रोच से कई एक उसमें अप्रोच लगा के हम बना सकते हैं. इसको प्रैक्टिस में लाना आपका काम है. इसीलिए कुछ सवालों का मैं इम्पोर्टेंट सवाल का वीडियो बना रहा हूँ, उसका रिवीजन कर रहा हूँ, ताकि आप उसको बार बार बनावें, बार बार देखें, और इस तरह आप मजबूत होकर निकलेंगे. नाउ आई वांट टू सॉल्व दिस प्रॉब्लम. इसका एक मेथड मैं बना रहा हूँ, एक मेथड आप पर छोड़ रहा हूँ. साइन टू द पावर 6x प्लस कॉस टू द पावर 6x डिवाइडेड बाय साइन स्क्वायर एक्स इंटू कॉस स्क्वायर एक्स. एक इसको फैक्टराइज करके आप बनाइएगा. मैं यहाँ पर बिना फैक्टराइज किए बना रहा हूँ. नाउ वी वांट टू स्प्लिट दिस, सो इट विल बी साइन टू द पावर 6x साइन स्क्वायर एक्स कॉस स्क्वायर एक्स, कॉस टू द पावर 6x साइन स्क्वायर एक्स कॉस स्क्वायर एक्स. And now we'll write sin square x into sin square x divided by cos square x plus cos square x into cos square x divided by sin square x. And after simplification it will be tan square x dx minus sin square x dx plus cot square x dx minus cos square x dx. So my dear student, tan square x can be written as sec square x minus 1 dx minus sin square x cosec square x माइनस साइन स्क्वायर एक्स को आप ज्यों का त्यों लिख दीजिए. नाउ वी चेंज कॉट स्क्वायर एक्स, इट विल बी प्लस कॉसेक स्क्वायर एक्स माइनस 1 dx, एंड माइनस कॉस स्क्वायर एक्स you can write minus 1 minus sin square x dx. So you write this minus sin square x is here. And now after simplification, what do you observe? It will be sec square x dx minus integration of dx, cosec square x dx minus integration of dx, minus sin square x dx minus integration of dx plus root of plus integration of sin square x dx. So the sec square x dx is equal to 10x, and minus x minus x minus x minus 3x, and also cosec square x is equal to minus cot x. So minus cot x plus. My dear student, in this way we have solved some important problems for the purpose of examination. I hope you will do better in this examination. You must revise and do labor hard. As I think after uploading this video, you are in a verge to start the examination. So I hope you will do better in the examination. Thank you.